Complex Kids ekendeze. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Thank you for coming up tonight. Thank you so much. Non-stop action. Okay. All right. And thank you for changing our industry. Thank you for what you do for the women. I mean, for all of us. I love you so much, so much. And thank you for honoring my invitation. Come on, get your hands up, money, guys. You want to say something? This makes me so nervous. Hi, Spice. This is beautiful. Man. For me, moments like this as a woman, they make me so happy. Because I'm a feminist. I'm not a fake feminist, but a real feminist. So I really love moments like this. I've had so many of my fellow artists in the building. I've seen the males. I've seen so many around, but this Spice is nice. Congratulations. I see you. I came here to tell you that I see you. I respect you. I respect your hustle. Yeah. I came here to tell you that I know that the males in the industry started this by dividing the females so that they can keep winning. But now they can't do that again. We are going to unite together. We are going to support each other. I'm here today for you. Everybody's here today for you. I can't wait for the day I can do anything you want me to do. I'm here, and I hope you know that I'm here. Thank you so much for inviting me. Guys, this Spice is nice.